Okay, so today we are going to do something fun with all this candy corn. I'm going to make a real quick Butterfinger candy, and all you're going to need is a microwave and some peanut butter, candy corn, and some candy melts. So let me melt this in the microwave for 30-second intervals until it's melted, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is ready for the peanut butter, and it's going to be 16 ounces for 2 cups. So there's one. Pour this out and spread it out. So you need to put this in the fridge for 2 hours, and then we'll take it out and do the rest of the recipe. Okay, y'all, so I've taken this out of the fridge. I had to rescore the bars, the little pieces of candy, sorry, before I pried it off of the foil. They're very soft, so you're gonna have to still be careful with them. And now I am melting, well, I melted some candy melts, the light cocoa kind. That's the kind I'm using. I just did it in the microwave, just like everything else. And then now I'm just taking the back of a spoon and just kind of smearing just on the top. You probably could douse the whole thing in the chocolate, but I'm just doing it this way. It'll make my chocolate go further. And they're already starting to harden up, but I think when I get done, I'll stick this in the fridge just so it can continue to get harder and harder. And I think you have to store these in the fridge too, because they'll kind of melt. But it's supposed to taste just like a Butterfinger candy bar. Something. I'm gonna stick them back in the fridge. I think they need to be kept in the fridge because they're soft. But they look great, they turned out good, and it was really easy to do. See y'all next time.